And good morning. Today I am heading up to the Chena Hot Springs, and this road along the way there is supposed to be a hot spot for spotting wildlife, so hopefully I'll see something on the way there. There are a fuck ton of mosquitoes out here. This sucks. Maybe I'll just launch the drone from the car. I don't know if that's legal here, but I registered the drone to a friend of mine I don't like all that much. So if we get busted, he'll have a lot of explaining to do. I just got to the hot springs and it smells awesome up here. Not like other hot springs like in Colorado, Glenwood Springs, you get there and it just smells like sulfur. Here, it's all these campgrounds and camping spots and everybody has fires going. So it just smells like a wonderful fall day. It's amazing. All right. Now it smells like sulfur. And that's okay. It's all right. When the water's this warm and you feel this good, it's okay that it smells like you farted in the pool. It's all right. Ooh. Those springs were pretty fucking hot, actually. I don't think it's temperature regulated, and they definitely don't post the temperature because it's just one big pool and it fluctuates a lot. So if you're lucky, you might get a 3rd-degree burn. Once again, my affinity for polarity has gotten the best of me. Now that I did the hot springs, I'm going to the Aurora Ice Museum that is also here at the Chena Hot Springs Resort. Now, museums aren't typically my thing, but this one has an ice bar at the end of it. So if you want to get me to go look at some paintings or some old shit, just put some bourbon at the end of it. I'll meet you there. I wondered what this chapel-looking building was, and it's the Ice Museum. Church of Ice.
Here we go. This is our Great Wall of Chena. Yeah. How do you like Alaska?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, I asked for mine chilled. The Ice Museum has a good pour. It is tradition to throw your glass, make a wish, and shatter the fuck out of it. I don't know where to throw this shit. I'm not gonna tell you what my wish was, but I will say that the people that stole my camera gear are gonna have a real rough night.